Hi, my name is Kamal Godfrey, a level 300 student of AMSEC. I'm here to talk about presentation. When we talk of presentation software, we mean presentation software. Presentation software allow you to display information in the form of an electronic slideshow. Example of presentation software. We have Google Slides, Apple Keynote, and Microsoft PowerPoint. There is a lot of presentation software, but we are going to talk about Microsoft PowerPoint for this lesson. Okay. Slide in a slideshow. Slide in a slideshow can contain text, image, clipart, graphical representation of data, that is chart, audio, animation and video, as well as link to external source and other items. The slideshow that are created with presentation software can be used in a number of ways. Slideshow can be projected on the screen in order to add visual element to a lecture or presentation being given. They can be distributed electronically for users to view or print from their own computers, or they can be set as a self-running show. Microsoft PowerPoint. Excuse me. Microsoft PowerPoint is the most commonly used presentation software application and is the campus standard at Bromine Community College. This lesson will introduce you to the basic concept and uses of presentation software. Okay, let's start with how we can create a presentation. In case we need to present this document and we have our computer, how are we going to create a presentation software? Firstly, you need to go to your machine, your computer. Go to the Start menu and search for presentation software, presentation or PowerPoint. To create a presentation from scratch, you first have to select blank presentation. We will try this, but let's finish this one and try the practical one. You select a blank presentation. To use a prepared design, select one of the templates. Mostly, when you go to the blank presentation, you can also select from a template, a design template that will display your presentation nicely for you. Okay, you create a new PowerPoint, add a slide. By the way, we first have to add a slide before we can type something there or copy from a document and paste it there. In the thumbnail on the left hand, select the slides you want your new slide for. And in the home tab, in the slide section, select new slide. In the slide section, you can also select layout and then select the layout you want from the menu. Okay, so now that the slide is there, let's try to create a new presentation here. Okay, to create a new PowerPoint presentation, You will go to your start menu. I search for presentation. Now I can't see presentation, so I will try to search for presentation. I will see my PowerPoint. I just type presentation, but PowerPoint appear. You can also type PowerPoint and it will appear there. So you double click on it or you click on it and it will launch. This is what I was talking about. When it launches, you select blank presentation. You can also select from any of the template there. You can select but for our lesson, let's start blank presentation. So you click on blank presentation. This is how it will display. In PowerPoint, we have the file, home, insert, design, transition, and animation. There's a lot of them. But due to time, we can't take all. So this is the new slide you select. You can select a new slide, but by default it will give you the first slide. So you click to add title and click to add subtitle. After you are done with the new slide, you can also create a new slide. So this is my first slide, this is my second slide, and add whatever you want to add. After that, you go to your file and then you save as. Then you give your file a name and then you are done. This is our first lecture. So I'll be waiting for you next week. So you add more practical to it. Thank you.